We can see the entire nation is mourning the profound loss of India's 14th Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and a new controversy has erupted regarding where the funeral would take place of Dr. Manmohan Singh, who's known as the maker of modern India's economy, the hero of India's middle class. The Home Ministry has notified that the funeral with full state honours would take place here at Nigambodh Ghat, which is one of the largest public cremation ground in North Delhi. However, the Congress demanded that considering how Manmohan Singh plays a revered character, plays a revered figure in the psyche of people, there should be a memorial built for him, and a funeral should take place where the memorial can be built. And traditionally also we have seen former Prime Minister's cremation being taken place in Rajghat, which is the dedicated memorial ground for Mahatma Gandhi. But this time the government has said, the central government has said that the memorial of Dr. Manmohan Singh will be earmarked in the next couple of days. But the funeral, the state funeral, will take place here at Nigambodh Ghat. And as you can see here, there is a strong presence, police presence here. Security has been tightened up. At around 11:45, the state funeral will begin, and you can see the conditions of the road is not as it should be. Ideally, is a broken road right here. One cannot help but highlight it. And this is where the party workers will bring Dr. Manmohan Singh's mortal remains from the AICC office to Nigambodh Ghat. We know we lost him at the age of 92 because of age-related issues on Thursday, and the final rites were supposed to be performed yesterday, but one of his daughters came back to India only last night, and the funeral arrangements took place only after that. And therefore today the final journey of Dr. Manmohan Singh to the heavenly abode will take place at around 11:45. Here you can see this entire area has been cleared because this is the VIP route. We know very senior leaders will be coming here, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yesterday we definitely saw the President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the entire Gandhi family, Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well as Congress leaders coming and paying homage to Dr. Manmohan Singh. He has played a magnanimous role in liberalizing India's economy, and also the way he handled the India-US nuclear deal. He will always be known as one of the greatest prime ministers that India witnessed. And this is where it's definitely a tragic day. The entire nation is mourning, and all the government events and programs have been cancelled for the next 7 days, as the entire country is mourning the loss of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Back to you.